Installing a processor Neptune Core Module. Loosen the screw on the system I/O board and processor board. Install the hose holder on the chassis. Fasten the screw to secure the holder to the system I/O board and processor board. Install the processor Neptune Core Module on the system board assembly. Push the anti-tilt wire bales outward until they engage with the hooks in the socket. Fully fasten the Torx T30 nuts in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate assembly. Place the hoses, the leakage detection sensor module, and the cable on the hose holder. Connect the leakage detection sensor module cable of the Neptune Core Module to the connector on the system board assembly. Close the cover and fasten the screw. If necessary, install the riser 3 cage. Install the top cover.